All right, go ahead and pull out two more index cards, and these are your next two vocabulary words. The first word is friction, noun, a force that occurs between the surfaces of two objects that are touching. What do you think friction means based on the demonstration of the ramps, affirming correct explanations and adjusting misconceptions? Friction opposes motion, but it also opposes potential motion, a motion that would occur if friction were not present. So write a definition on your card. There is a force of friction on a block, on a ramp, even when the block is not moving. So again, write down on your card, there is a force of friction on a block, on a ramp, even when the block is not moving. So even when the block is not moving, the force of friction that's going on is the force that's keeping it from moving. So if there were no friction, the block would move in whatever direction either gravity or an outside force pushed it. But with friction, the block can stand still. So make sure to write that on your card. I'll repeat it one more time. There is a force of friction on a block, on a ramp, even when the block is not moving. Your second term is the word lubricant. Noun, a substance that reduces friction between two objects. So like the oil on the ramp earlier, or like the explanation I gave you of the robber being chased by police, so he throws down oil on the street to make them slip and fall. Oil is something that removes or lowers friction to make movement easier. So if you ever go bowling and you roll your bowling ball down the alley, they put oil or wax on the lane so that the ball can roll smoothly. Or if you go, like we said earlier, ice skating or riding your bike, if you ride your bike over a smooth surface, there's much less friction. It's much easier to do than if you were riding over a bumpy surface. The more that you're in contact, the more friction there is. So anytime two items are in contact, there's friction in place. And what I would like for you to try to do is to identify different examples of types of surfaces and different examples of friction, and post that in the class story today. Tomorrow by 5 p.m. Just examples of surfaces and examples of friction that can be caused by those surfaces. So that's going to be all for today. I told you it was a short lesson, but I hope you had some fun, and we get to have a little bit more fun with friction tomorrow and see where we take it from there. I hope you and your family are having a wonderful time. I think you're back in Siem Reap now from Battambang, and I can't wait to see some of your homework come in. Please do your homework and submit it to classdojo.com. Thank you so much.